If you have been feeling a little lost lately, let's sit down and journal together. These guided journal prompts will help you check in with yourself and reconnect with what you truly want to create in your life. You might not find all the answers in one sitting, and that's okay. Think of this as a quiet space to reflect and build self-awareness. You can come back to this video whenever you need to reconnect with yourself. I will be walking you through a few journal prompts, and all you need to do is show up with your journal, focus, and keep writing. I'll also include the main prompts in the description below if you want to revisit them later. Whenever you're ready, let's get started. I first want you to take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let's first check in with yourself. How do you feel right now? In your body, in your mind, in your heart? Write any words or sentences that come to mind. How do you feel in your body? What sensations come up for you? Where do you feel tense in your body? Maybe it's your neck, your jaw, your forehead. Try to breathe into it and release the tension. Where do you feel light in your body? In what parts of your body can you breathe into and relax? How do you feel in your heart? When you really look and feel inside, how do you feel? What emotions and feelings are coming up for you? You can describe it with words, colors, textures, sensations. There's no wrong answer. What has been going on in your life? What do you feel deep down inside of you, even if you don't want to admit it? How are you truly feeling in your heart? How do you feel in your mind? What thoughts have been plaguing you? What have you been thinking or worrying about? What has been on your mind? Keep writing whatever is coming up for you and give yourself the space to feel whatever is coming up, and make sure to breathe into it slowly. You're safe. Now that you've checked in with how you're feeling, let's shift your attention to what's already going well in your life. I want you to ask yourself, what feels good in my life right now? even the small things. What do you feel good about? What do you feel proud of? What feels comforting and nurturing to you right now? Whether it's habits, small moments by yourself, small moments shared with loved ones, progress you're feeling in yourself, or positive changes you're seeing, what's going in the right direction right now? Even if it's small things, write it down. Focus on the positive feelings that are coming up for you as you think about the good things in your life right now. What emotions do they bring up for you? And what gratitude are you feeling about it? Take a moment to sit in the gratitude and in the positive feelings that are coming up and expand those feelings. Now let's shift gears and look at what are some of the changes that you think you should be making in your life right now. What are small changes you would like to make in your life that you know will be good for you, will help you, will support you, will make you feel better? What are small habits that you want to incorporate in your day-to-day life? Get specific and think about how these habits will make you feel if you practice them. What are small tasks that you would like to get done that will feel like a relief if you did get them done? What are some acts of self-care you would like to practice to show up for yourself, to nurture yourself, to take care of your mind and your body? Which of these changes do you think would have the biggest impact on your overall well-being and your life? What do you need to do to make these changes happen? And are you ready to commit to this change? Next, I want you to think ahead to 6 months from now and think about how do you want to feel? What changes do you want to have made happen? What do you want to have accomplished or have completed? How do you want to show up for yourself from now until 6 months from now? Who do you want to be in 6 months? Describe that ideal version of yourself. How would you feel if you were able to make these changes happen in the next 6 months? How would your future self feel if you looked back at the present version of you? Think about how grateful and happy your future self would be to your current self for showing up and for making the necessary changes happen. Describe those changes, however big or small. What changes do you want to make happen in the next 6 months that you know you would be happy to have made? If this journaling session helped you reflect, I also created a free life audit worksheet to help you get even more clarity about where you are in life and where you want to go next. You can download it in the description below. I'm sending you a lot of love. Bye for now.